Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me time from Kenyan time. It's a beautiful evening in the village, guys, and you can see how village looks cool with a lot of trees around, and we are enjoying the weather. So far so good. It's been raining. We have good news around in our home, in our farm. New development 2025. It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year. I surrender all to Jesus. My wish be granted. It's gonna be a good year. You can see our cow just gave birth just the other day. That is the good news number one. We have a small calf. Yeah, that is good news number one. We're gonna drink milk. Instead of water, we will be drinking milk. Is that one not a good news, guys? Yes, I know someone might not value that, but to us here in the village, we really value milk, because buying that milk on a daily basis, sometimes it's not easy. Being we are in the village, yeah, majority are not buying milk. We buy milk in the town, we can't buy milk again in the village. So to the family, to my farm, it's really a good news. Oh yeah, let's see the visitor around. There we go. The visitor, the new visitor in the compound, in the home. Looks beautiful, like the mom. He's a handsome man. See, guys, very curious, running towards the man. Wow. He's very healthy. It's been a while. We've been waiting to announce this good news. Finally, it's here. Finally, it's a long-awaited day, and you can see how healthy he is. It's going to breastfeed. Yeah, it's 2 days old. 2 days old, guys, and very healthy and active. Yeah, breastfeeding before we get some milk from the mom is being given first priority. Yeah, that's our good news number one. And the evening seems to be cold, and I know it's cold everywhere around the country. The weather is very cold. We are going to see our young one. Good news number two is here. We want to see the progress. Yes, the compound is too huge, and we have target for the year. Resolution for 2025 is here, guys. Come here, watch the video up to the end. At least you make your 2025 a good year, a valid year for you too. See, our newbies are here, guys. They are faring on well, very active. Wow. Just see, they are growing on a daily basis. Just because they are eating so well, they are very scared. See. They've eaten everything. Within a few hours, they don't have food in the feeders. Wow, they look beautiful. They look lovely. And very active. Activeness that from the beginning, from here, they grow active. As time goes, you will just see them running around the compound, and you'll be asking, Lynette, how old are they? If I will be telling you 2 months, 3 months, everyone will be surprised, because they grow so fast, day and night, just because they are eating 24/7. And I tell you, it reaches a point whereby we have to control everything they are eating, and we have to control the ratio. Comes a time we have to control the ratio they are eating, because if you just leave them that way, guys, no one can afford that. What they eat is very, very expensive, and at this stage you can't go through any shortcut. You just have to give them quality feeds. Quality feeds. Because again, at this stage, if you start giving them maize, oh, that one is a shortcut. Don't be tempted. Just give them chick mash at this tender age. Because if you do that, if you start giving them the fish meal and the maize jam and the maize itself, maize flour, guys, they will develop a condition. That is what we call the coccidiasis. We'll monitor their poops. We will see bloody poops. So avoid shortcut. See, the compound is so big. And resolution for 2025, at least before we closes the year, December 2025, we should be having like 1,200 birds around, and that is the target, guys. That is the target. So I don't know, what's your resolution 2025? Let's check on our layers now, how they are faring on. Another good news is here. They are doing well. They are giving us eggs on a daily basis. They are very healthy, and we are sticking to our resolution. If you've not decide right now. Everyone must decide earlier enough. The year has just begun, so this is the time you need to be serious. You know what you want before it's too late. Before April, that is, you should be having your resolution for the year. My resolution for the year, at least before we close the year, I should be having 1,200 bats in my compound. Layers specifically, I'm planning to go up to 500 layers. I tell you, it's something that is, how do I say? You should not just wake up and say, I'm gonna get 100 birds, I'm gonna get 200 birds. No. It's something that should be moving simultaneously. You see, slowly, you say, this month I'm gonna get a batch, 50, 20, 10, next month again, step by step. That is when you can plan well, even on how they will be eating, because their feeds are very expensive. If at all you've not started preparing your locally made foods, it's very expensive if you want to buy everything from the aggregate or from wherever you are getting your feeds from. It's very expensive, guys. So I'm urging everyone viewing this video for the first time, guys, check me out, Lynette Solar Private. Make sure you click that notification bell. You are not left aside. Any upload, you are the first to watch. We share a resolution for the year 2025. We are praying at least we get what our heart desires, and we surrender everything to the Almighty. We have to be prayerful, because by ourselves we can't do it. It's God that gives us that energy on a daily basis and blesses the work of your hand. What is your resolution 2025? Poultry keepers around, poultry farmers around, if you are rearing chicken, all types of birds, what is your resolution 2025? Share with me and share where you are watching this video from. Lynette Solar Travels, guys. Here we encourage each other, and you can see our eggs, quality monster eggs. We get quality eggs. the birds give us quality because we give them the best. Tell me where you're watching this video from. We made Solar Travels, and share your resolution for 2025. We advise each other, we encourage each other on a daily basis. Daily progress, daily updates. Thank you so much.